There's a lot of news coming out about ChatGPT and what Microsoft is going to be doing. This is a big deal because Google has just entered the race and now they're officially their rival in AI. So we're going to be talking about what's going on with ChatGPT today, talking about Google and Bard, what in the world that is, and all of the different events that are going to be happening in the next couple of days, all in the AI space. So first of all, Microsoft is releasing a brand new event that's going to be coming out on Tuesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And what has been assumed to be talking about how ChatGPT will have probably an interface with Bing, but we just don't know. It's going to be happening later today, but that's going to be really big. Now, trying to jump ahead of that, Google tried to have an event on Wednesday about Bard, but Microsoft came out and said, hey, we're going to have an event the day before. So they're really going back and forth with AI, which is really good for the consumer, for us, because this is the first time that they've been fighting about things for a while, which means that they're going to be pushing each other, which means we get more features and it's going to be better for the consumer. Not only that, that's going to be a lot of other things we can be doing in the future with our business, making money, all those things. And we'll talk about that in another video. So with that, Google is releasing an event on Wednesday about their version or their competitor with ChatGPT, which is called Bard. Now, Bard is basically going to be a similar format as ChatGPT, and they're going to be releasing it over the next couple of weeks, and we'll get more details on Wednesday. Now, again, this is something that they've been grappling with for the last couple of months, especially with the explosion of ChatGPT. There have been a lot of reports that Google has been wanting to cautiously do this over the last couple of years. If you have been using Google Cloud Platform, you could see that they were using a lot of things with machine learning and AI, but they really haven't been pushing it and releasing something as aggressive as ChatGPT. So again, Gary's out there trying to make some noise and go ahead and do this. Now, we're going to be seeing in the next couple of hours, and I'll do a summary of what's going to be happening with this event. But let me know in the comment section, how are you using ChatGPT right now? Are you doing this to streamline your workflow? Are you doing a lot of researching for your job with ChatGPT, and then you're going to be then writing over some of the different things, or using prompts? What are you using ChatGPT for? Now, I want to give out a shout out to Data Chaz. He has a great account. I'm going to do a link down below. If you're looking for a lot of insights or what's going on in the world, I really like his bite-sized tweets. And also, too, he talks about different prompts and tricks that I talk about a lot. And I want to make sure that I'm doing a shout out so you can follow him. But this is going to be coming up, and we're going to be seeing, and we'll be doing a summary of all the things that are going to be coming soon. If you want to have videos about clear-cut ways people are making money using ChatGPT and all of AI and machine learning, let me know in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to put that out. All right, everyone. Talk to you later. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. All right. Bye-bye.